Okay, so I will advise you to download your data in quarters if you want to carry on like developing like a very easy forecast for your very first time. Um, so in the previous video we saw how to upload Excel files. So I will advise you to come back to that video if you do not understand how to do that. Now we are going to cover how to define data as time series and generate our first time series graph. So everything everything that is to the left of these two signs is a name. So in this case I have chosen gdp.ts. You can choose whenever you want accordingly to your data sets. And with the command ts, yes, this command comes from the library forecast. With the command ts, I am telling R or defining that this name is actually a dataset. So I have used this name, ONSGDP, which is exactly the same name that we have created before. Then I type the sign dollar in order to look at the columns in this object ONSGDP. The column, and then I choose the column GDP. So what I'm doing here is to choose the column GDP using the sign dollar. Then I tell R when is the starting date. So I use the command or the command start equal to C, and here I will put the year. Right here is saying that the dataset starts in 2013. So I will go here to the dataset to check that if that is okay. So it's actually in the second quarter of 2013. That's why I have 2013 too, because this is going to be quarters. Finally, at the end, with the command end, I say what is the end date of my dataset. Apparently is 2019 quarter 3. So let's check here, 2019 quarter 3. The frequency is 4. At setting the frequency, I am telling R that actually I am using quarters because the series repeats every 4 periods. Yes, in the year. All right, so I'm going to control enter or run this line number 14. Is blue or orange in my screen, and then I am going to click on line 16. In line 16 I am simply plotting the object that or the time series that we just have created with the command ts. In the X lab is the X label, Y label, and the main title. So let's control enter this, and this is your first graph. So if you want to export this graph, just click here on export, save as image, save as PDF, or just copy this into your clipboard and then paste it in your PowerPoint slides. Okay, so this is a short video about how to convert or define a data set as a time series, and also how to plot our first graph.